Hello, not going to keep you long today. We're going to make this absolute beauty. Chicken, 4 cheese, onion, toasted. Oh yeah. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So let's have a look at the ingredients that we're using today. So there's the chicken. I'll talk to you about that in a moment. 3 cups of cooked chicken. And then here, half a cup. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all half a cup. I'm using 4 different cheeses today. Mozzarella, Parmesan, cheddar, feta. If you want, you don't have to use those 4. You could use maybe just 1 or 2, or a different one if you want. Maybe get some blue cheese in there, gorgonzola or something. A little bit of onion, couple of tablespoons, tablespoon of chopped parsley or some other fresh herb that you might like, a couple of teaspoons of garlic, and a couple of teaspoons of a hot sauce. So with my chicken, this is a whole chicken with skin and bone and everything, and what I've done is I boiled it, and when I boil chicken I usually put some sort of aromatics in it. In this one I've put some cinnamon, star anise, ginger, turmeric and salt. You don't have to do that obviously, I'm just letting you know what chicken I'm using here today. So shredded it off the bone. There's a little bit of skin in there which I don't mind. Some people won't like that, but that's it. Very simply what we're going to do is we're going to get all this and mix it all together. So a mixing bowl, very simple. Chicken's in. Going to get that hot sauce in there, a couple of teaspoons of that. Adjust everything that I'm doing. You know, you might want a bit more hot sauce than this. Garlic, just a little bit. The parsley or some other fresh herb. And the onion. Then we're going to drop in that 1/4 cup each. That's mozzarella. Here's fresh Parmesan. Here, cheddar cheese. And my final cheese is feta. In that goes. Now, I'm not going to add any salt to this for sure because the cheese will be quite salty. If you want, up to you, try a little bit, I wouldn't recommend it. And if you want, add some black pepper. I'm going to get a glove on and we're going to get in there and give that a little squeezy mush up. Now it kind of does need a bit of a squeeze more than a mix, you know. It needs to all be sort of squashed together. And that's what you should end up with. So I've got 4 slices of bread there. I'm using a kind of brownie, kind of brown bread, but you can use any bread you want. And you can see that I've buttered it. Now what I do is I melt my butter and brush it on. And it just means I get a nice kind of even coating on it. So we're going to concentrate on the 2 center ones. We're going to turn them over. And then we're going to grab our beautiful chicken cheese. And it really is beautiful. Now you can't spread this on because it's quite a kind of thick thing. So you're going to have to kind of crumble it on there. So let me get on there and do that. And I'll be back in a moment. So yeah, put that on. Do it as thick or as thin as you like. Then what we're going to do is, so we've got butter facing down. We're now going to have butter facing up. And then we're going to go to the sandwich press. So you can see these are thick and beautiful. On the press, you know, I've got one of these ones, you know, like that, a kind of George Foreman, although this actually isn't a George Foreman. I'm going to close that down. I put mine on maximum heat. You don't have to. You know what we're looking for. Goldenness, toastiness, beautiful stuff. I reckon, yeah, maybe 4 minutes. Okay, let's jump in here and have a look, shall we? Oh, yes. That's what we want, isn't it? So I like it about there. You can go a bit longer if you want. That's fantastic. Should we... It's an absolute wonderful, wonderful sandwich. Really good. So happy. And there she blows. Just wonderful. Really, really delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon. You can get it in an ebook. $3.99. Very, very cheap. 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.